Hi there. Welcome back to Orbital Adventures, where we turn science into fascinating stories. Imagine you're about to take a new medication. Would you trust it if it hadn't been thoroughly tested? Probably not. And that's where scientific proof comes in. It's not just a process, it's the foundation of our modern world. Scientific proof is what turns ideas into facts we can rely on. It's how we know vaccines protect us from diseases, how climate change is driven by human activity, and how gravity keeps us grounded. Proof comes from experiments, data, and repeatable results, not opinions or guesses. The scientific method is critical because it eliminates bias and ensures fairness. Instead of relying on personal beliefs or assumptions, scientists test their ideas objectively. For instance, when researchers develop a new drug, they use controlled trials to ensure the results are accurate and not influenced by expectations. Consider this. Centuries ago, people believed sickness came from bad air. But through the scientific method, we prove germs cause infections, leading to life-saving antibiotics and hygiene practices. Without these methods, we'd still be in the dark ages. Scientific proof also keeps us honest. Imagine someone claims a new diet burns fat instantly. Without testing and evidence, how can we separate hype from reality? Science demands we ask, what's the scientific evidence? So we can make decisions based on facts, not false claims. In a world flooded with misinformation, the scientific method is our compass. It ensures progress, protects lives, and helps us understand the universe without bias. So the next time you hear a bold claim, ask, what's the scientific evidence? Because science doesn't just explain the world, it makes it better. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and see you next time. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.